Hello, it's Michael McWilliams here, the Irish News betting columnist and chief bluffer. It's the greatest week of the sporting year. The Cheltenham Festival starts today. All week I'll be running through my big race verdict. The big race on the first day is the Unibet Champion Hurdle. We had great success last year when we tipped Golden Ace at 40-1, and we're hoping for more of the same this week. Golden Ace goes to post at an 8-1 chance this year, and there is every chance Lightning can strike twice. She's fourth in the betting this time around behind Lossiemouth, the New Lion, and Brighter Days Ahead. Lossiemouth has been redirected to the big race, having won the Mayor's Hurdle for the last 2 years, and the feeling is that Willie Mullins perhaps would have preferred to go for that one again. The New Lion will struggle at this pace with his jumping, and fell in the fighting fifth at Newcastle with Golden Ace picking up the pieces, as she did in the Champion Hurdle last year when Stateman and Constitution Hill both fell. Of the leading three in the betting, Lossiemouth is probably the biggest danger, and she is a selection of our punter's diary columnist Archie Devlin. Once more, Golden Ace could pick up the pieces and run into a place at the very least. Brighter Days Ahead is a great horse everywhere else, but doesn't seem to shine at Cheltenham, losing to Golden Ace in each of the last 2 years, and Jeremy Scott's reigning champion hurdler could make it 2 on the bounce and become the 4th horse this century to go back-to-back in the big race on the opening day. Make sure to read the Irish News all week and visit irishnews.com/sport to follow along for the tips for all the big races.